taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Hola amiga! How are you everyone? Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga by the way. Okay. Sa lahat ng mundo, good morning. Okay guys, today, magluluto tayo ng very simple recipe. This is the pasta vegetarian. It's look yummy and delicious. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang vegetarian pasta vegetables. So, good for you, good for me, healthy. So, wala muna ngayong meat. No meat today. So, speaking vegetable. Okay guys, the recipe is really simple and quick. Okay people, this is my recipe. We have a boiled water. Okay, we have a butternut squash. Okay, pakita ko. Butternut squash paste. And this is stainless beans. Okay, I just cut it into long pieces. Okay guys, meron tayong bell pepper, red. Okay, we have vegetarian cube, salt and pepper, of course parsley, onion and garlic. Of course, gagamit tayo ng olive oil. Okay guys, so of course meron tayong garlic sauce, tomato. So yummy, delicious. Anyway, it's already complete. Onion and garlic. By the way, I'm gonna put garlic and onion as well, so it's more delicious. Okay, of course people, we have a pasta. So the kind of pasta is good. Okay guys, let's start now. Okay, tadaan! Okay guys, lagyan natin siya ng oil. So, yung pasta, the pasta not sticky, okay? So, lagyan natin siya ng salt. So, more nicer. Okay guys, lagyan natin yung pasta. Put the pasta. Of course, mix it. I love pasta. Not every day. Okay guys, ito ay simpleng recipe. Vegetarian. If you are vegetarian, grab my recipe right now and please give me thumbs up. So, okay guys, next is boiling. I'm gonna make the sauce. Okay guys, lagyan natin yung oil. Put the oil. Don't be shy. Just a little bit. Okay guys, para makita nyo, I just focus, you know. Okay guys, look at this. It's not yet hot. Okay. Okay people. Okay. I put the onion and garlic. Haluin na maigi. Mix all together. Basically people, we need to cook all the vegetables para malambot siya. Nice and tender. Para yung vegetable is cooked, okay? Make sure the onion garlic is cooked, so nice and brown, so the flavors can be absorbed. Okay guys, lagyan natin yung fish. Lagyan mo, we cooking the vegetable, and then follow the butternut squash. Butternut squash is the kalabasang pula. Okay. Lagyan natin siya ng asin, salt and pepper, red pepper, masarap pag maraming gulay. Nice, a lot of vegetables. So guys, ilulutuin natin siya following the stingless beans. You know, the long one beans. I'm sure you guys. Ayan. So delicious. Okay, people. This one vegetarian cube, I need to put a little bit oil to absorb everything. Durugin natin. Okay guys. And put together. Put basil. If you don't have fresh one, you can put in the dry one, okay? Nice. Nice color, green and red and orange, isn't it? The pasta is ready. Okay guys, so sana po nagustuhan niyo itong luto ko. Ayan. It smells so delicious. I love vegetarian. I'm not vegetarian, but I love it. Fantastic. Okay guys, lagay natin yung tomato sauce. I need to put a little bit smaller. Just like this, look. Because it's still inside. Okay. That's amazing. Here we go. Okay guys, lagay natin yung pasta. Wow. Amazing. It's delicious. Yes, look at this. Wow. Perfect. Great. Hi guys, look at that. Hey guys. Kind of be nice. Okay people, hopefully you like my recipe today. Is vegetarian pasta with vegetable. It's amazing, delicious, good for everyone, and please give me a thumbs up. In the kitchen we are fire. Bye, love you all, God bless. See you our next video guys. I'm gonna try it, okay? Delicious. The taste is amazing. Beautiful. Bye now. See you our next video. Bye. Love you all.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.